Instagram.
Ito yung pinaka-safe kasi hindi talaga nag-Instagram yan eh. Ayun, ang tagal mag-loading!
Utang ina, asawa. Ginawa. Kailan ako nag-Instagram? Alam ko na yan, man.
Oh my God!
Hoy, pinakala mo cellphone ko.
Pinakalaman ko, natutulog ako dito kanina.
Very good!
Welcome back sa YouTube channel ng Team Happy. Nabulok na. We are now with Toro Boys. So we got
Harvey. Tito Vince.
and
Icy Boy Landing.
Orlando. 1 minute. Okay, so the reason why we are here is I need your phones. I need your phones, guys. Unlock it because this is gonna be an algorithm check. Uy! Algorithm check, do you know that? So whichever you guys search on Instagram, it will show up on your feed.
Okay.
So I don't know if... It's okay. Let's start with them first. Oh, how confident are you that we're not gonna find anything disturbing?
Oh, I'm confident. Baby mama looks at my phone every day, so I'm pretty sure it's nothing.
Oh, okay, let's check. So let's check, guys.
No, I don't know what this is.
Explain this.
Tattoos.
And
Some.
some what?
Just memes. See tattoos, mostly tattoos, and
Mostly tattoos and. Landon, you're very.
like I really don't search
You're
it.
very lucky that we didn't invite you guys. Your partner.
She sees me scroll on the Explorer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe it's like, you know,
Yeah, some.
What does that mean?
hey, you know, you have some this, some of that. But it's fine. It's a clear FYP.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a clear algorithm. So, I would rate it about 50-50
50-50?
because I can judge. Okay. We got otits. Let's see. Oh, clean. Look. Safe na safe. Oh. Malinis. Sapatos. Meron siyang sapatos at mga memes. Basketball. Tattoo. Shoes. Basketball and shoes. Everything about basketball and shoes. Oh my God. Safe. He passed the test. Oh, some.
Maybe it's like, you know, old.
No, like that's just how my. Maybe it's because I have an American Explore page or something.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay.
The other phone.
Okay, the other phone. Baka sabihin, isang phone lang eh. Sige Ay, malinis din.
Same feed.
Same feed. Even if you refresh it, same lang. Malinis, guys. Mukhang hindi tayo aawayin tonight, bossing.
Yes. Kampante rin ako si Jowa, lagi din sinecheck yan eh. Jowa is always checking my phone.
Tsaka...
I saw that.
What's
that? This is the type of shit that be on my Explore page.
Okay, safe.
Okay, safe.
Si Otit. Si Chong.
Feeling ko mas sobrang safe yan. Hindi mo nag-i-Instagram yan.
Let's see Harvey's Instagram.
Ito yung pinaka-safe kasi hindi talaga nag-i-Instagram yan eh. Ayun, ang tagal mag-loading!
Utang ina, asawa. Ginawa. Kailan ako nag-Instagram? Alam ko na yan, mga
Oh my God!
Hoy, pinakala mo cellphone ko.
Pinakalaman ko, natutulog ako dito kanina.
Very good.
Pero ako nag-Instagram.
Natutulog ako, check yung CCTV.
Ako, ang bandi ako. Wala naman ako nag-Instagram.
What the hell? So many girls!
Pero babae ah.
Grabe, mama.
So many girls!
Hindi to mag-accumulate ng isang search lang.
Ano ka?
Natutulog ako dito. Dito mag-accumulate ng isang search lang. Yung feed ba net? Sige, sabihin mo kung isahan lang o bakit yung kay Landon, ano?
Kailan ako nag-Instagram? Kailan mo ako nag-Instagram?
Malay ko.
Happy bag with nothing like that.
Hindi ako nag-Instagram.
Happy bag.
Ay, refresh natin, baka nagkamali lang.
Refresh. Oh, di ba?
Dapat may ganyan.
Look at that!
Sige, refresh natin ulit, baka nagkamali pa ulit eh. Refresh lang.
Refresh the, the... Ay! No.
Galing, ha?
Parang mali ata, nag-vlog pa ako, putang ina.
Ikaw ata may aawahin mamaya.
Ano?
You know what? I'm really proud. Like I said, it's a clean feed because Harvey is not using Instagram.
Never naman ako nag-Instagram.
What the? What the? What the?
What?
What the hell? No. Harvey, what the fuck is that?
Ano yan? Ano to?
Ewan ko.
That's it, guys. I think we should end this vlog.
What the algorithm?
Nakailang refresh na? Refresh natin. Pang ilan na to? Ayan, nagbabago-bago na. Pero meron pa din talaga.
There's so many girls.
I don't know what to say, guys.
Harvey, I'm really proud of you.
He's gonna bet his life on you.
Like, Harvey, he doesn't like Instagram, it's a clean feed. Tangina mo, Harvey, anong ginagawa mo sa Instagram?
Ewan ko ba't nandun yun? Never ako nag-Instagram.
Bakit mo dati pinafollow mo?
Hindi ko alam masawan. Tagal ko lang din nag-Instagram.
Hindi, sa bagay kasi,
Simula na lumabas ako ng rehab, di ako nag-Instagram.
hindi siguro
Ewan
nga
ko
kasi,
ba't may
ganun
ganun.
yun eh. Pag hindi
Mamatay man ako.
hindi siya active sa Instagram, di ba? Baka yung mga dati
Oh,
pa.
pero pinag-unfollow ko lahat ng babae kasi ang daming pinafollow na itong babae.
She followed so many.
Girls, yeah. Especially after we broke up.
Ate Papi unfollowed the...
Yeah, so he will have like a clean start.
So maybe that's what
Nagulat ako dami.
Oh, hindi na IG to eh. Ito eh.
This is the one ad. Is that the only fans or?
So that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for your honesty and sharing this time with me.
Let's just wait for the another video daw, fight video.
Yeah.
Argument
Let's see what
video.
comes after this. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I missed you guys. And thank you, boys, for joining me tonight.
I'm really proud of you, Harvey. What happened? Harvey, ano? What did you do? Why did you do that?
Alam mo yung may kanya-kanya kayong levels of
Yes.
di ba? Yung parang yung trust ng babae ko, yung fully trusted. Yung siya parang wala naman pakialam kung may dumaan na feed or what. Yung isa nangyari.
Well, I can't deny because, sometimes if I'm scrolling a video, I've seen not working videos and then I scroll it like, no, I don't wanna watch this.
And Landon's algorithm could be caused because he's from the US.
Yeah, from the US.
Yeah.
Yeah, the algorithm.
Yeah, I don't know.
But Harvey's a Filipino. Why? What happened?
I don't know.
What country's algorithm is that?
No, but my algorithm is not as bad.
Yeah, it's mixed. It's mixed. It might be like from hip hop shit.
Yeah, yeah.
Many music
hip-hop
videos.
stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're
The one jumping.
Video I see in the corner.
doing that.
I don't know, man. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and thank you so much for watching, and see you on our next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you for watching, guys!